Welcome to Sophia Help Center. In today's video, we're sharing 15 fun and easy sensory activities designed especially for children with special needs. These activities are perfect for enhancing motor skills, sensory integration, and having fun while learning. Let's dive in. Video 1. Sensory Bins, Fun and Easy Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. In today's video, we'll show you how to create a sensory bin that encourages exploration and learning for kids with special needs. Let's get started. Sensory bins are a simple way to engage children in tactile play. Fill a bin with rice or water beads and add small toys to create a fun treasure hunt. Try this sensory bin with your child and watch how they engage with different textures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite sensory activities with us. Video 2. Playdough and Slime Tactile Sensory Play for Special Needs Kids. Playdough and Slime offer a fantastic tactile experience for children with special needs. Let's see how to use them in sensory play. With Playdough, children can mold, shape, and even add beads or glitter for extra fun. Slime adds a new level of sensory feedback. Playdough and Slime are perfect for sensory fun. Let us know in the comments what your child enjoys creating with these materials. Video 3. Water Play, Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Water play is a great way to engage children with sensory needs. Here's how you can set up a simple water activity. Use cups, sponges, and floating toys to turn a simple water activity into an engaging sensory experience. Water play can be a fun way to explore sensory input. Let your child enjoy the textures and movements of water. Video 4. Weighted blankets and lap pads, calming sensory tools for special needs kids. Weighted blankets and lap pads can help children with sensory needs feel calm and focused. Let's see how. These tools provide deep pressure input, helping kids regulate their sensory system and feel more relaxed. Weighted blankets are a fantastic tool for creating a calming environment. Have you tried one with your child? Let us know in the comments. Video 5. Textured Pathways, Fun Sensory Integration Activity for Special Needs Kids. A textured pathway is a great way to engage children with sensory needs and improve balance. Let's set one up. Encourage children to walk along the path barefoot, feeling the difference between textures. This helps improve sensory processing and coordination. Textured pathways are easy to make and offer a fun sensory experience. Try it at home and share your setup with us. Video 6. Bubble Wrap Stomp, Auditory and Tactile Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Bubble Wrap Stomp is a simple but engaging sensory activity that provides both auditory and tactile stimulation. Lay out bubble wrap on the floor and let kids step on it to pop the bubbles. It's a fun way to engage multiple senses at once. Bubble Wrap Stomp is always a hit with kids. Try it out and let us know how your child enjoyed it. Video 7. Interactive Sound Toys, Auditory Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Interactive sound toys are a great way to engage children who need auditory stimulation. Let's take a look. Instruments like maracas, drums, and bells help improve auditory processing and coordination through sound play. Sound toys are a great way to combine fun and learning. What's your child's favorite instrument? Video 8. Light and Color Sensory Play, Visual Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Engage your child with colorful lights and visual effects. In this video, we'll show you how to create light and color sensory play. Use an LED light table or sensory bottles filled with colorful materials to create visual sensory experiences. Visual sensory play is calming and captivating. Try this activity and let us know your child's reaction. Video 9. Sensory Swing or Rocking Chair, Vestibular Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Swings and rocking chairs are great for vestibular input, helping kids with balance and coordination. Let's see how. Swings provide gentle motion, which helps children improve balance and coordination. Rocking chairs are great for a calming effect. Swings and rocking chairs are perfect for children needing vestibular input. Have you tried them with your child? Video 10. Painting with Different Tools, Creative Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Let's explore painting with different tools like brushes, sponges, and even hands. A great way to engage in creative sensory play. Let kids experiment with different tools while painting to explore textures and creativity. Mixing colors is also a fun part. Let your child express their creativity through painting. What's their favorite painting tool? Video 11, Finger Painting with Food, Edible Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. In today's video, we're using food for finger painting. It's a safe and edible sensory activity perfect for little hands. Use yogurt or pudding as edible paint, letting kids safely explore with their hands while mixing colors. Finger painting with food is a fun and safe way to enjoy sensory play. Have your child try it and let us know how it goes. Video 12, Therapy Putty or Stress Balls, Tactile Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Therapy Putty and Stress Balls are perfect for tactile feedback. Let's see how they can help improve hand strength and sensory input. Therapy Putty and Stress Balls help children strengthen their hands while also providing sensory input. Use different resistance levels for variety. These tools are great for tactile feedback. Try them out and let us know how your child uses them. Video 13, Music and Movement, Sensory Integration Activity for Special Needs Kids. Let's combine music and movement for a fun and engaging sensory activity. Dancing or clapping to music helps children with auditory and motor coordination, making it a fun way to engage multiple senses. Music and movement activities are perfect for sensory integration. What's your child's favorite song to dance to? Video 14, Deep Pressure Activities, Calming Sensory Activity for Special Needs Kids. Deep pressure activities can help calm children who need sensory input. Here's how. Video 15, Oral Sensory Activities. Oral sensory activities like chewable necklaces or blowing bubbles can help children seeking oral stimulation. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these sensory activities helpful. Be sure to try them out with your little one and let us know which ones they enjoyed the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more sensory-friendly tips and activities.